Hello friends, in today's class we learn to solve a linear equation which has variable in the left hand side also and the right side also. That means both sides contain a variable. Now how do we solve it? Let's take the equation 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So there is one variable here and the same variable is on the other side also. There is one constant here, the other is on the other side. So our attempt is to bring all terms which have variable on one side and the terms which are without variables, that is which are constant on the other side. So what we can do is we can shift this term to left hand side. So when we shift it from this side to other side, it was being subtracted here, it will be added here. 2x plus x minus 1 is equal to 14. So what do we write here? Transposing minus x to left hand side. So this will become 2x plus x. Basically we have to add their coefficient. We are adding 2 and 1. 1 is not mentioned, but we can assume x means 1x. 2 plus 1 is 3x, minus 1 is 14. Now what we do is we shift minus 1 to right hand side. 3x is equal to 14 plus 1. What do? We write transposing minus 1 to right hand side. You have to mention this thing so the teacher will understand that you know what you have done. So it becomes 3x is equal to 14 plus 1 is 15. So this is value of 3x, but we need to find the value of only 1x. So we have to remove 3. How do we remove it? We divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3, 15 divided by 3. So 3x divided by 3 is 1x, 5. So this is the answer. So the value of x, which is 5, will satisfy this equation. We can check it also. For example, left hand side, 2x minus 1. We'll put the value 5 here. 2 minus 5, 2 into 5 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is the value of the left hand side. Now we take right hand side. We are verifying. 14 minus x. So we put the value 5 here. 14 minus 5 is 9. So which is equal to the value of left hand side. So the value of left hand side is 9. Value of right hand side is also 9 when x is 5. So this is a unique value which satisfies this equation. Okay, so what we have done is we have shifted all the variables to one side and all the constants to other side. We could do it in one step also. We could bring straightway 2x plus x is equal to 14 plus 1. What do we write? Transposing minus x to left hand side and minus 1 to right hand side. We have done both transpositions in one step. This has been shifted to the right hand side and this has been shifted to the left hand side. So 3x is 15. X is 15 divided by 3. Why we are dividing 15 by 3? Because 3 is the coefficient. So this is 5. Okay. Now supposing sometimes there may be a fraction in the question. No problem. You can either remove the denominator or you can solve as fractions. Let's take this simple question. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. There are variables on both sides, there are constants on both sides. 1 and 3 are constants, and these are the variable terms. And the coefficient of x here is 2 upon 3. It means 2 upon 3 into x. This is 7 upon 15. So what we will do is, we will bring this term to this side and this term to this side. 2x upon 3. This is being added here, it will be subtracted. 7x upon 15. 3 minus 1, it is being added here, it will be subtracted. So what do we write? Transposing 7x upon 15 to left hand side and 1 to right hand side. So this we are mentioning what we have done. We have shifted this to the left hand side and this to the right hand side. Now you have two options. Either you can remove the denominator by multiplying both sides by same number. Now here the denominator is 3 and here the denominator is 15. The LCM of both 3 and 15 is 15. That is the lowest common multiple which can be fully divided by 3 and by 15. So we multiply both sides by 15. 15, 2x plus 3 minus 7x upon 15. So we are multiplying both sides by 2 into 15. We are multiplying both sides by 15. You can write here, multiplying both sides by 15. Now we multiply 15 to each term. So when you multiply 2x by 3 into 15, it becomes 10x. And this becomes 7x. And this becomes 30. So why we are multiplying by 15? We have to remove the denominator. And why we chose 15? Because it is the LCM of 3 and 15. This is the lowest common multiple which is fully divisible by 3 and 15. And we are multiplying both sides because it is an equation. So 10x minus 7x means 10 minus 7. 3x is equal to 30. So if we divide both sides by 3, 3x divided by 3 is equal to 30 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so it becomes x. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So this is the value which will satisfy both the sides. If you put this value here and here, you will find that the value of left side is equal to the value of right side. You can try it. You should try to verify such questions. Even if in the exam you are not required to verify, you should do it for your own satisfaction when you are practicing such questions. So this way you can solve any linear equation which is in one variable. Okay? So tomorrow we learn how to solve linear equations in two variables. For that we always need two equations. Two variables, we need two equations. We can't solve a linear equation in two variables if you have only one equation. So if you like my video, please share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.